Oh my God. We're just 818 to base. I'm on Fairview Road. I'm at, I think it's 6 Fairview Road. A transfer truck has just ran off the road and hit me. Everybody on my bus is okay, but we do need an ambulance and the fire trucks. The power lines are down. We cannot move. Okay, I'm going to cut off my bus, guys. It's safer right here because the power line is down. And I don't know if it's connected to the bus, so just, y'all go sit down.
Okay, go sit down.
Yeah, let's keep them on the bus. Come on, hey, we good, buddy. Come on, let's play a game. Come on, sit down. We're good. Let's play a game. Okay? Come on. Hey, okay. Hey, you got your phone. Scoot over for me, man. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, cool beans. Don't sit with you.
Oh.
Show me a game. What kind of game we got on your phone? Show me a game.
Are y'all alright? Okay, we gotta get off the bus, guys. Oh, yeah, everybody back. Oh, God. 12:23. Is everybody back there okay? Everybody back there okay? A tree hit the bus on Grove Road. I think all my students are okay. I have some. Come on, guys. You okay? I'm not sure. Come on, guys. Is everybody in the back okay? Can you go to the back?
Is everybody okay?
I don't know back there. Oh my God, that tree stick. Come on, guys. Are y'all all right? Oh, God.
Miss Brenda, repeat what's going on, please.
There's a tree hit the bus. We need EMS. We're on Grove Road. Is everybody back there okay?
You are trained.